Let's have a look at the question.
A large cube of total volume 512 cube is made up of 1 centimeter cube cubes. That is nothing but it is going to have a total of 512 cubes, and 1 centimeter cube is nothing but it is talking about 8 by 8 by 8. Cube of size 8. The larger cube is made by following these rules. Statement number 1. Start from the left hand side and number the small cubes 1 to 8 from left to right. It is a 8 by 8 thing. So if you're going to look into that 8 by 8 and they are going to give out the numbers here. Okay, so if you're going to take out 8 by 8, this is how it looks like. 8 by 8 by 8. And what they have told, if you're going to take out the numbers from the bottom, start from the left hand side and number the small cubes 1 to 8 from left to right. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will be like this. Okay, these are the cubes we have. Next, place the cube number 9 behind cube number 1. So this is where cube number 9 will be, behind it. So this will be cube number 10, cube number 11. Similarly, this will be a cube number 16. So this will be a cube number 16. Place the cube number 9 behind cube number 1 to start the second row and proceed all the way. And next we have to proceed all the way to cube number 64. It means if you keep on going through this, this will be the bottom one will be the one which is going to have 64. So this will start with 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, and the last one is 64. This is the bottom layer. Okay, now after the 64, one more layer has been created above it, which is nothing but starting with 65, and it will move up to 128. Similarly, another more layer that is nothing but 129. It will keep on going until you reach 512. This is how the cube is being formed. Now, if you're going to look into the bottom part, so this is how the bottom layer will be. It will start from 1 up to 64. Now they ask on the bottommost layer of a cube. Yes, on the bottommost layer. This is the bottommost layer with 1 to 8 up to 64. So 1 to 8, this is the one, and up to 64. If you are going to make it slanted, it will be like that. So on the bottommost square layer of the cube, consider the square diagonal. You have to check out the diagonal. I have got two diagonals here, 1 to 64 and 57 to 8. That is a square number 8. Yes, if you're going to look into this, I have got a square number 8 here. Find the sum of all the numbers on the cubes on this surface diagonal on the bottom layer. So they are asking us to take out the sum of all those numbers. So we have to add all those numbers. So answer will be 8 plus 15 plus 22 plus 29 plus 36 plus 43 plus 50 plus 57. So if you are going to look into this, I can see this is in terms of AP. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 7 is 22. 22 plus 7. So I can see it is having a common difference of 7. It is in AP. So how we are going to take out the sum? So I can say sum equals to, we have the formula for sum of n terms, right? Sum equals to n by 2 into a plus l. You can take out n by 2 into a plus l. A is the first term and l is the last term. How many terms are there? 8 rows. We have got 8 values. So 8 by 2 into a plus l, 8 plus 57. So this is going to be 4 into 65. So 65 4 times is 260. So the sum of these numbers is going to be 260. Question number 2. Find the number of the small cubes at the other end of the body diagonal that has a smaller cube number 1. So this is the one which has small cube number 1, which is nothing but the bottom one. They're asking about number on the small cube on the other end of the body diagonal. So what is it? Let's check it out. Look here. If this is a cube and if this is the 1, this is going to be 64. So similarly, it will move on and the last number will be 512 over here. Okay. They're asking find the number on the small cube at the other end of the body diagonal. Now look here, this is going to be 1. So other end of the body is going to be this one, and they are told other end of the body diagonal. So this is the other end of the body. Diagonal is going to be this one. So the answer is going to be 512. So the answer for this question is 512. Let's have a look into the third question. Find the number on the small cube at the other end of the body diagonal that has a small cube numbered 57. So this is the one which has 57. I'll take out a cube here. So if this is going to be 1 and this is going to be 64, so then this is the one which has 57 in it. So they're asking, find the number on the small cube at the other end of the body diagonal that has a small cube number 57. So this is 57, other end of the body is this, but they're asking about the diagonal. So this is that one. Okay, so we know this is going to be 512. This is the last value. This is going to be 512. So what is this? So from 512, if you subtract 64, the total one, you will get this value. You will get this value. And if you're going to add 1 to it, you will get the first one. All right? Add 1 to it, you will get the first one. From here, if you're going to add 7, you will get the last one. It means from here, you need to add 8. So 512 minus 64 plus 8 will be your answer. 456 will be your answer.
Thanks for watching, and for more updates on similar videos, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.